Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda 6 Touring Hatch, stock reference number 3955. This shape runs from the first month 2008 through to the 12th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front as well as the rear. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. It's got a tidy left side skirt. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type rear bumper cover. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right side skirt. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.